In this video, I'm going to show exactly how to make your own origami business card holder just like these ones, or indeed a credit card holder. So you can see you can make them out of paper, card, or even this fabric paper. So let's get started, because all you need is one square of your paper or card. So you want a thick paper or a thin card. If it's going to hold your business cards, you want it 10 inches square. If it's going to hold your credit card, 9 inches square. And then the instructions are exactly the same. So put it so the pretty side is down and fold it exactly in half. Now you want to get good creases. If you've got a little tool to do it, that's great. If not, you can use, believe it or not, a credit card, a plastic ruler, or your fingernail. Then open it back up and fold each side into that center fold. So you're just taking it as far as the center fold. Nice smooth creases. And then the same on the other side. I'm doing this in real time, so you can do it along with me, but obviously you can just pause the video if you're getting behind. And you open that back up, you can see that's how it looks. And then you're going to fold each corner in. So you're just going to fold it to that first fold line. Again, good crease. And just repeat that for all four corners. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up so it spreads to more people, because that's how YouTube works. And then we can all have these. I mean, they're great for taking things out and about and just giving them a little bit of protection. And doesn't it look sweet when you hand them out and you've got your own unique holder? So when you've done all four, fold those back in again, those sides, just making sure we've got good creases. Turn the whole thing over. And then you're going to fold each end back in turn. So fold it back just so that that white triangle reaches the bottom. Good creases. Really need to make your good creases now because it's going to try and open. And then repeat for the other end. And then you'll find they overlap slightly. So just insert one into the other and that'll hold it nice and steady. And then you're going to fold it in half, but not the way you think, the other way. And there you go. You've completed your business card or credit card holder. I recommend just going over all your creases. Just make sure they're nice and tight. And then it's time to put your cards in. And away you go. So I'm just going to show you some of the ones I've done, and I want to remind you that you could make these out of fabric paper and then they become really hard wearing. So if you want to see the video on fabric paper to make your own, then that's the video that's showing now on the screen and it's linked below. So good luck with your business card holder and enjoy impressing all your friends and colleagues.